Today I'm making Irish potato soup. I'm going to start by frying 8 to 10 slices of bacon. Then I'll remove the fried bacon and set aside to use as a garnish later. Now I'm removing most of the bacon grease. I only need enough to flavor the soup and saute the onions. I'll add the onions and saute for just a few minutes. I'll add the potatoes and give those a good stir. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Adding in 6 tablespoons of butter. And now pouring in 4 cups of milk with 1 cup of water. Now cook this until the potatoes are tender and add in 1/2 cup of heavy cream. I like my soup partially creamy, partially chunky, so I'm using a potato masher. Continue cooking until your soup thickens. Ladle into bowls, top with the crumbled bacon. Serve with some hot Irish soda bread or sourdough bread. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.